So the first question, Wangpui Kut festival is organized for dash days in Mizoram to celebrate the glory of Mizo culture and tradition. Number A, 2 days. Question number 2, Lokrang, a 5 days festival organized by the Madhya Pradesh Adivasi Lokala Academy, begins on dash every year. Option number A, 26th January. 3. Which of the following instruments is played by Shreya Bhattacharya, an eminent musician from Assam? Number B, tabla. 4. Tanras Khan is associated with which of the following gharanas? Option number A, Delhi Gharana. 5. Which of the following awards and recognitions was not received by Vempati Chinna Satyam? Option number D, Padma Shri. 6. Vinod Kevin Bachchan has been selected for the Ustad Bismillah Khan Yuva Puraskar 2021 for his contribution to which Indian dance form? Option number B, Odissi. 7. In which of the following states is the Bhadarvi Punam Mela organized every year in Nilkanth Mahadev temple premises in Babra? Option number D, Gujarat. 8. Which of the following awards is not conferred for excellence in dance? Number C, Lalit Kala Academy Award. 9. Prerana Srimati received the Sangeet Natak Academy Award in which of the following years for her contribution to the Kathak dance form? Option number B, 2009. 10. In 1990, who established Nityangram, a dance school in Bengaluru? Nityagram. Option number B, Pratima Gauri Bedi. 11. Gulabo Sapera, a legendary folk dancer from Kalbelia tribe, Rajasthan, received Padma Shri in the year. Option number C, 2016. 12. When was the Ustad Bismillah Khan Yuva Puraskar an award given by the Sangeet Natak Academy to outstanding artists under 40 who have been demonstrated talent in the fields of music, dance and theatre started dash. Started in option number B, 2006. 13. Which of the following dance awards is organized by the National Institute of Indian Classical Dance? Option number B, Abhinandan Saroja. 14. Mangalampalli Balamurali Krishna was an Indian Carnatic singer born in Sangarapguptam village of which state? Option number D, Andhra Pradesh. 15. Who became the first folk artist from India to walk Cannes red carpet in 2022? Option number B, Mame Khan. 16. In Jain Basti temple of Karnataka, over the Garva Griha is raised a dash storied Nirandhar Viman with a square greave and shikhar. Option number B, 5. 17. Jaiminiya and Koshitaki dance are mentioned in which of the following? Option number B, Brahmanas. 18. The Kamakshi Sosthan temple of Goa is crowned with the two-storied tower and with the golden kalash perched on its shikhar. Option number D, octagonal. 19. Identify the personality on the basis of the given clues. He is an acclaimed Bharatanatyam dancer. He is the recipient of Padma Shri 2016 award. Option number B, Pratibha Prahlad. 20. Select the correct combination of famous palaces and their locations in Rajasthan. Option number B is the correct answer. 21. Chitti Babu is a famous player of which of the following musical instruments? Option number C, Veena. 22. Which of the following statements is correct in the context of Buddhist architecture? Option number A, only 1 and 2 are correct. 23. In which of the following states is the groundnut fair, Kadalekai Padshe, celebrated on the last Monday of Kartika month of the Hindu calendar? Option number D, Karnataka. 24. Diwani Am, containing the marble canopy ornamented with beautiful panels of Pietradura work, is a part of which monument? Option number B, Red Fort. 25. Who among the following personalities from the Carnatic music correctly represent the trinity of Carnatic music? Option number D, Tyagaraja, Muthuswami Dikshitar, and Syama Shastri. 26. In which of the following states is the Bishu Mela organized to thank Santura Devi for the good harvest? Option number D, Uttarakhand. 27. In which of the following months is the Konark Dance Festival organized in Odisha? Number C, December. 28. Mysore brothers are known for playing which musical instrument? Option number D, violin. 29. Which musical duo is part of the Khayal singing lineage of the Benares Gharana? Option number A, Rajan and Sajan Mishra. 30. Kala Ramnath belong to which of the following Gharanas? Kala Ramnath. Option number C, Meyti Gharana. 31. Wasifuddin Dagar was associated with which of the following classical music genres? Option number D, Dhrupad. 32. Pandit Arvind Thate belong to which of the following Gharanas? Option number B, Mewati Gharana. 33. Which treatise of Indian classical music was composed by Pandit Sharanga Deva? Option number C, Sangit Ratnakar. 34. Imami Shankara Shastri and Dorashami Iyengar are both associated with which musical instrument? Option number B, Veena. 35. Attulu Idu is the cultural festival of the which union territories? Option number D, Lakshadweep. 36. Shawai Gandharva was associated with which of the following Gharanas? Option number A, Kiran Gharana. 37. In 2022, Arjun Singh Dhruve was honored with the Padma Shri Award for his contribution in which of the following Indian folk dance forms? Option number A, Baiga. 38. Padma Awardee Arjun Singh Dhruve is related to which of the following folk dances? Option number A, Baiga. 49. Nisha Gandhi festival is celebrated in which of the following states? Option number D, Kerala. 40. Which of the following folk dances is conducted during the Bishagu festival? Option number C, Bagrumba. 41. The Hootan dance, observed as an annual tradition, is a leisurely performance that takes place during the harvesting season in Dash. Option number B, Karnataka. 42. Buddhadev Dasgupta was a famous instrumentalist of which of the following instrument? Option number D, Sarod. 43. Kalamandalam Krishnan Nair was a notable figure in which of the following classical dance form of India? Option number A, Kathakali. 44. Indian classical vocalist and Padma Vibhushan awardee Kishori Amankar belongs to which of the following gharanas? Option number D, Jaipur Gharana. 45. Ranjani Hebbar was associated with which of the following fields? Option number C, Carnatic music. 46. Manipuri Ras Leela, a renowned form of classical dance, was created by? Option number D, Maharaja Bhagya Chandra. 47. Madhavpur Fair in Gujarat is a dash day long event to celebrate Lord Krishna's marriage with Rukmani. Option number C, 5 days long event. 48. Which of the following was authored by Harishan Charya? Option number B, Brihat Kathakosh. 49. Padma Shri Pandit Rajiv Taranath, the famous dash player, is from the state of Karnataka. Option number B, Sarod player. 50. Krishnarao Shankar Pandit belonged to which of the following music gharanas? Option number A, Gwalior Gharana. 51. Which of the following fields is not covered by the National Eminence Award? Option number A, literature. 52. John Bill Mela is held every year in which of the following states? Option number C, Assam. 53. Dash was an Indian mandolinist who was a master composer of the Carnatic style of classical music. Option number C, Uppalappu Srinivas. 54. Ustad Ghagge Khuda Baksh was associated with which of the following gharanas? Ghagge Khuda Baksh. Option number C, Agra Gharana. 55. Who is known to have revived Bharatanatyam dance form in its modern version today? Option number B, Rukmini Devi. 56. Which of the following classical dance style manifests the element of sky? Option number B, Kathakali. 57. At the South Indian temples, the pyramidal tower is called the dash. Option number C, Viman. 58. Shasharanjan Gharana of Rampur was established by whom among the following personalities? Option number C is the correct answer. Ustad Inayat Hussain Khan. 59. Anita Sharma, Sangeet Nayak Academy Award winner, is an exponent of dash dance form. Option number C, Satriya. 60. In 2018, Ganesh and Kumaresh Rajagopalan won the Sangeet Nayak Academy Award for Carnatic Instrumental Music for playing which instrument did they win this award? Option number A, violin. 61. Sama Sakeva is a folk dance based on the mythological story of the siblings Sama and Sakeva, in which of the brother goes to an extreme extent to save his sister. With which state of India is this folk dance associated? Option number C, Bihar. 62. Dash was the pioneer who modified the Hawaiian slide guitar to play classical rags. Option number D, Brij Bhushan Kabra. 63. Chakyar Kuthu, the folk dance form in which the entire story is presented by a single performer, primarily belong to which of the following states? Option number B, Kerala. 64. The Ganesh Rath is one of the finest monolithic temples at? Ganesh Rath is one of the finest monolithic temples at? Option number A, Mahabalipuram. 65. The famous folk dance Dholacha Nach is performed in which state? Option number A, Maharashtra. 66. Who was the progenitor of the prolific Jaipur Atrauli Gharana? Option number E, Ustad Alladia Khan. 67. Usha Barle, who won the Padma Shri 2023, is popularly associated with which genre of music? Number B, Pandavani. 68. Kishori Amankar, one of the finest classical singers of Hindustani music, was from which state? Option number D, Maharashtra. 69. Which of the following Indian classical dance form was developed by Siddhendra Yogi? Option number C, Kuchipudi. 70. Bhavlata is a famous folk dance of which of the following Indian states? Option number B, Karnataka. 71. Bhavanath Mahadev Fair is held every year in which of the following places? Option number D, Junagadh. 72. Who among the following established the Indore Gharana? Number B, Ustad Amir Khan. 73. In which of the following dance performance is the main percussion instrument Edakka used? Option number C, Mohiniyattam. 74. In 1974, classical singer Naina Devi was awarded the Padma Shri for her contribution to which of the following singing styles? Number A, Thumri. 75. Who among the following founded his Kuchipudi Art Academy at Madras in 1963? Option number D, Vempati Chinna Satyam. 76. Kamalani Asthana is associated with which of the following dance forms? Option number C, Kathak. 77. Thettakkudi Harihar Vinakram, who became the first Carnatic musician to win a Grammy, is known for playing which musical instrument? T.H. Vinakram. Option number B, Ghatam. 78. For how many days is the Chhath Puja celebrated? Option number C, 4. 79. Which of the following Khayal artist is the founding father of Lalit Kala Kendra of the University of Pune? Option number A, Bhimsen Joshi. 80. Padma Bhushan awardee Mogubai Kuritkar was associated with which of the following music styles? Option number A, Hindustani classical music. 81. Which festival is celebrated as the birth anniversary of Prophet Muhammad? Option number B, Milad un Nabi. 82. Kanak Raju, who kept the tribal folk dance Gusadi alive, was honored with which of the following civilian awards of India in 2021? Option number C, Padma Shri. 83. Who among the following Indian dancers was honored with the Padma Vibhushan in 1971, who was also known as the father of modern Indian dance? Option number B, Uday Shankar. 84. Both Rajesh Prasanna and Rishabh Prasanna are associated with which musical instrument? Option number A, flute. 85. Match the awardees who received the Sangeet Natak Academy Amrit Award 2022 in column A with their corresponding dance form in column B. Option number A, A3, B1, C2, D4. 86. Which of the following Indian tribal dances is prevalent in the Araku Valley near Visakhapatnam? Option number A, Dhimsha. 87. Kanak Rele, who established Nalanda Dance Research Center, was a performer of which of the following classical dance form of India? Option number B, Mohiniyattam is the correct answer. 88. Which dance guru of Kuchipudi dance got Padma Bhushan in 1998? Option number A. Guru Bhempati Chinnasatyam. 89. Dashain and Tihar are popular festivals of which neighboring country of India? Option number B. Nepal. 90. Who among the following dance gurus got Padma Vibhushan in the year 2000? Option number B. Kelucharan Patra. 91. K. Kallan Sundaram Pillai was honored with the Sangeet Natak Academy Award 1999 for his contribution to which of the following dance forms? Option number C. Bharatanatyam. 92. Which of the following temples is not an example of Nagara style of architecture? Option number B. Kailash Temple, Kanchipuram. 93. Which Hindustani classical musician is credited with popularizing the sarangi as a solo classical instrument? Option number C. Pandit Ram Narayan. 94. With which Kathak Gharana was Pandit Jaki Prasad affiliated? Janki Prasad. Pandit Janki Prasad associated. Option number D. Benaras Gharana. 95. Which of the following dance form emotes a play through dancing in which the song is customarily in Maniprabhala language? Option number B. Mainattam. 96. In which of the following states are the nor'easter known as Bardoisila? Option number B. Assam. 97. Vedantam Satyanarayanam Sarma is associated with which of the following dances? Option number C. Kuchipudi. 98. Which Kuchipudi dancer received National Nritya Shiromani Award 2022? Option number C. Aparna Satishan. 99. Which of the following what dances is performed in Nagda festival and is performed by the tribes of Nagaland? Option number C. Ringma. 100. Dash was awarded Padma Shri in 1970 for his contribution to the field of Kuchipudi dance. Option number C. V. Satyanarayan Sarma. 101. Padma Shri awardee 2023 Guru K. Kalyan Sundaram Pillai is an exponent of which of the following classical dance genres? Option number D. Bharatanatyam. 102. Which of the following dances is performed in Goa during the festival Ganesh Chaturthi? Option number C. Fugdi. 103. Which festival commemorates the death of Hussein ibn Ali? Option number D. Muharram. 104. Dollu Kunnitha is primarily a folk dance of which of the following Indian states? Number D. Karnataka. 105. Which of the following statements about Bihar are correct? Option number B. Both A and B. 106. R. Muthukkannamal, who was awarded the Padma Shri in 2022, is a dash dancer. Is a dash dancer. Option number B. Sadir dancer. And 7. Dash was well known for creating fusion art by adapting European theatrical techniques to Indian classical dance combined with Indian folk and tribal dance. Dash was well known for creating. Number A. Uday Shankar. 108. Pakhulu dance is performed by the Apatani tribe of which of the following states? Number C. Arunachal Pradesh. 109. Annapurna Devi is associated with which of the following musical instrument? Option number D. Surbahar. 110. Indian classical singer Kesarbal Kerkar belong to which of the following gharanas? Option number B, Jaipur Atroli Gharana. 111. Where is the Kalaghora Arts Festival organized every year? Option number A, Mumbai. 112. Rag Deepak has been associated with which famous musician? Option number B, Tansen. And 13. In which of the following states is the Bedinkulam festival celebrated in which the young men make a symbolic gesture of driving away of the evil spirit, plague and disease by beating the roof of every house with bamboo poles? Option number D, Meghalaya. And 14. Aladippu is the first dance item of which of the following Indian classical dance form? Option number A, Bharatnatyam. 115. Sonal Mansingh is a famous proponent of which of the following dance forms? Option number C, Odissi. 116. Under the influence of the Greeks, which of the following art style flourished in India? Option number B, Gandhar. 117. Gulbarg and Bidar style of architecture was patronized by which of the following dynasties? Option number D, Bahmani dynasty. 118. Gaurmadiya dance is performed in which of the following state? Option number A, Chhattisgarh. 119. With reference to medieval Indian architecture style, what is Petre Dura? Option number D, decorating the walls with floral design made of semi-precious stone. 120. The Sun Temple at Konark, the Khajuraho Temple in Madhya Pradesh, and the recently constructed Ram Temple in Ayodhya are examples of temples designed in which style of temple architecture? Option number A, Nagara. 121. Dappu dance is a famous dance form of which of the following states? Option number B, Andhra Pradesh. 122. In which of the following states is the Malapuram Utsav celebrated? Number B, Tamil Nadu. 123. Who is the first Indian female dancer to receive the highest Padma Award, Padma Vibhushan? Option number C, Sonal Mansingh. 124. Which of the following is the residential place of Buddhist priests? Option number A, Bihar. 125. Fugdi is a famous dance of the state of? Number D, Goa. 126. Aparna Satishan, a recipient of 2021 Abhinandan Saroja National Award by National Institute of Classical Dance, is an exponent of Dash and Kuchipudi. Option number A, Bharatnatyam. 127. Who received Sangeet Natak Academy Award 2022 for her contribution in the field of Kathak? Number C, Nalini and Kamalini Asthana. 128. Tijan Bai is associated with which of the following dances? Number B, Pandavani. 129. The Hathi Gumfa inscription was inscribed in which of the following historical regions of India? Option number B, Kalinga. 130. Chithirai festival of Tamil Nadu is dedicated to which of the following goddesses? Option number C, Meenakshi. 131. Losung festival is predominantly celebrated in Sikkim by which of the following tribes? Option number D, Bhutia. 132. Coimbatore, which is located in the state of Dash, is famous for the cotton textile industry. Option number B, Tamil Nadu. 133. Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma is associated with single-handedly popularizing which musical instrument? Option number C, Santur. 134. The modern day Dash was molded by the renowned Tanjore Bandhu, consisting the four Nattu Vanars, Punya, Vadivellu, Sri Sivanandam, and Chinya. Option number B, Bharatanatyam. 135. Which classical dance form is performed by the renowned artist Sitara Devi, Rohini Bhatte, Pandit Mannanlal Shukla, Kumudin Lakhia, and Uma Sharma? Option number A, Kathak. 136. Which of the following is considered as a day mourning among the Muslim community? Option number B, Muharram. 137. In which of the following states is the Jawara dance performed on the occasion of successful harvest? Number B, Madhya Pradesh. 138. Who is the famous Kuchipudi dancer to receive Padma Shri in 2001? Option number A, Shobha Naidu. 139. Sitara Devi was a classical dancer of India who used to perform? Option number A, Kathak. 140. Which Indian classical dance form has composition in Meithei language? Option number C, Manipuri. 141. Who among the following Mughal emperors had a great interest in paintings? Number D, Jahangir. 142. The Jhaveri sisters are known for keeping alive the temple tradition of which of the following classical dances of India? Option C, Manipuri. 143. Few renowned artists of dash dance style in India are Roshan Kumari, Shobhana Narayan, Maya Rao, and Kumudini Lakhia. Option number D, Kathak. 144. Gangubai Hangal, a renowned Indian classical personality, is recognized for her contribution in which of the following fields? Option number B, Hindustani classical music. 145. Dash dance is embedded in the stories from the epics Mahabharata, Ramayana, and Puranas. Option number A, Kathakali. 146. Which of the following dance performance begins with Kelikuttu? Option number A, Kathakali. 147. Alanmel Bhalli was associated with which of the following dances? Option number B, Bharatanatyam. 148. Which raga was composed by music emperor Mian Tansen to bring rain? Number B, C, Megh Malhar. 149. Rani Ki Bhav is a UNESCO World Heritage Monument situated in which of the following states? Option number B, Gujarat. 150. Ram Navami is celebrated in India to commemorate the dash. Option number D, birth of Lord Rama. 151. Which festival is celebrated at Sabarimala temple on the occasion of Makar Sankranti? Option number B, Makara Vilakku. 152. Which of the following is a style of temple architecture that is widely favored in northern India? Option number C, Nagar. 153. In which Indian state do we find caves named after element status found in it? Option number C, Maharashtra. 154. Hareli festival is celebrated in which of the following states? Option number D, Chhattisgarh. 155. In which of the following classical dance form are the actors' faces painted to symbolize the type of character they are playing? Option number C, Kathakali. 156. Who among the following is the dance guru from Odissi credited with having revived the Odissi dance form? Option number D, Kelucharan Mahapatra. 157. Vinod Mankara's documentary Mohiniyattam Amma is based on which of the following world-renowned Mohiniyattam dancers? Option number D, Kalamandalam Kallankutti Amma. 158. Which of the following is an Indian folk dance? Option number D, Bihu. 159. Which of the following festivals is celebrated in the month of Chaitra? Number B, Ram Navami. 160. Hampi Utsav is a colorful cultural festival that emulates the ethos and grandeur of which of the following empires? Option number B, Vijayanagar. 161. In which language was Mudra Rakshas play written by Vishakadatta? Option number D, Sanskrit. 162. The religious festival Easter is celebrated by which community? Option number B, Christian community. 163. Which of the following statements are true for the religious festival in India? Option number B, both 1 and 2 are correct. 164. The revival of the art form in the late 1940s was spearheaded by maestros such as Kelucharan Mahapatra and Raghunath Datta in the field of. Option number B, Odissi. 165. Which of the following states? I think its question is incorrect. The right question is which of the following dance form is inspired by the sculptures of the ancient temple of Chidambaram? Option number A, Bharatnatyam. 166. Sarhul is an agricultural festival of tribals which is primarily celebrated in the Indian state of. Option number C, Jharkhand. 167. Who is the recipient of Padma Vibhushan 2000 for reviving the Odissi classical dance form? Option number A, Kelucharan Mahapatra. 168. What kind of structures are generally used by Buddhists for containing remains of their monks and nuns? Option number A, stupas. 169. Bathukamma festival is celebrated in which of the following states? Option number B, Telangana. 170. Raja and Radha Reddy were awarded the Padma Bhushan in 2000 for giving a new dimension to which dance form? Option number C, Kuchipudi. 171. Which of the following harvest and cultural festival is celebrated by the Tamil community every year in January? Option number A, Pongal. 172. Yakshagan, the famous folk dance, is associated with which state? Option number C, Karnataka. 173. Who explained the system of classifying musical instrument into Tata, Shushi, and Avandha and Ghana in his treatise Natya Shastra in early 2nd century? Not Tata, it's Tat. Option number A is the correct answer, Bharat Muni. 174. Navroz is celebrated as the new year by which of the following communities? Option number C, Parshi. 175. The Bathukamma festival is associated with which state? Again, option number A is the correct answer, Telangana. 176. Which famous medieval singer was born in Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh in the year 1506? Option number D, Tansen. 177. Lachu Maharaj has been associated with which dance form? Option number A, Kathak. 178. In which of the following states is Elang Manu celebrated, which is an ancient spring festival celebrated by all Kanyaks in the month of April? Option number D, Nagaland. 179. Which of the following dances is traditionally performed by the males of the three adjacent states, Jharkhand, Odisha, and West Bengal? Option number D, Chhaur. 180. Sonu Nigam was awarded the Padma Shri in 2022 for which of the following fields? Option number D is the correct answer, art. 181. Former Indian actress Vijayanthimala was trained in which classical dance form? Vijayanthimala. Option number D, Bharatnatyam. 192. Which of the following folk dances of Jharkhand, Odisha and West Bengal region in the representative list of the intangible cultural heritage of humanity? Option number B, Chau. 193. Karucharan Mahapatra is associated with which of the following dance? Option number B, Odissi. 194. Udit Narayan was conferred the Padma Bhushan in 2016 for which of the following fields? Option number D, art, playback singing. 185. Who among the following was a famous proponent of Bharatnatyam? Option number B, Rukmini Devi Arundale. 186. Hornbill Festival is organized every year in which of the following states? Option number A, Nagaland. 187. Birju Maharaj is related to which of the following classical dance form? Option number B, Kathak. 188. Padma Subramaniam, Alarmal Bhalli, Yamini Krishnamurthy and Anita Ratnam are distinguished practitioners of dash. Option number D, Bharatnatyam. 189. The classical dance form Kathakali traces its origin to which of the following states of India? Option number A, Kerala. 190. The part of a temple wherein the main deity of the temples is housed is known as the dash. Option number C, Garbhagriha. 191. Which of the following dance form is primarily associated with eastern India states like Odisha, Jharkhand and West Bengal? Again, repeated question. Option number C, Chau is the correct answer. 192. The Dravidian style of temple architecture can be largely seen from which part of India? Dravidian style. Here option number D is the right answer. Southern India is the correct answer. Okay. 193. Dash is mainly celebrated by Maharashtrians as New Year's Day. Option number C is the correct answer. Gudi Padwa. 194. Dash which translates to dance of the ancient race stands out as one of the most captivating expressions in the Indian classical dance repertoire. Number B, Mohiniyattam. 195. In which state or union territory is Losar celebrated in the to mark the start of the new year in that region? Losar. Option number C, Ladakh. 196. The cultural sport of Maharashtra, Dahi Handi, is associated with which festival? Option number A, Krishna Janmashtami. 197. Chhat Puja falls in which month of the Hindu calendar? Option number C, Kartik. 198. Kathakali, one of the classical dance form, is performed primarily in which state of India? Option number A, Kerala. 199. Padma Subramaniam is associated with which dance form? Option number A, Bharatnatyam. 200. Which folk dance has its roots in Maharashtra? Option number D, Lavani. 201. Which of the following is not a religious festival? Option number B, Gandhi Jayanti. 202. In which state is Bhogali Bihu festival celebrated? Option number A, Assam. 203. Bhangra and Gidha dance form are associated with which Indian state? Option number C, Punjab. 204. Dandiya Rash is a famous dance form of which state? Option number D, Gujarat. 205. The last question. The Rath Yatra festival of Puri is celebrated as the sacred journey of which of the following Hindu deities? Option number C, Lord Jagannath. So that's all for today, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also, you can get PDF from my Telegram channel, the link in the description. All right, keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next video. Thank you.